Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this one, the curve and the cabinet. Okay, very simple. You just click here, this one, superboard. You drag the superboard. Okay, point on the wall first. Point on the wall. Okay, so you rotate it first. Rotate it first. Maybe you press X. Okay, select the banner, then you rotate it. Click on red color. Okay. Red color, rotate it. Okay, X 90 degrees. Okay, then press Z to move it up. Okay, so this is the height, this is the depth, right? Okay, so this one should be here 500 and 500 so I make it 3000. Right, 3000. Exit first. Exit. Okay, the white I make it 3000. Enter. Okay, so this one, the depth I make it 3000 also. Get roughly the angle. Okay, so this one I make it 0, then you will stick to the top. Okay, then I'm gonna cut the pattern now. Okay, simple. You just click on board selection. Select it, right click, then go to panel point editing. Okay, in panel point editing, right, you just use draw. Okay, we're gonna use draw, but first just delete this one. Delete the area, then we draw by ourselves. Okay, draw. So we click here, then I'm gonna draw from here to here. Okay, roughly the banner. Yeah, draw the banner until here, like 100. Okay, this is the banner. Okay, you can do here and cut here. Then you see the banner here. Okay, so this is the banner, and you can cut the pattern. So let me check with it first. Okay, the pattern should be here, right? Okay, I click back the pattern to check. Okay, it's a curve here. This one is rectangle. I'll just curve these two areas only. So I'll just curve it. Okay, click here. Then you can make curve simple. It's very easy to use. Click here only. So curve already. Then you save. Okay, simple as that. Return. Okay, so you click on this pen. Exit first. Click on this banner. Okay, make the size. So this one are roughly to 3000 also. 3000 also. Then you can see the pattern now. Okay, so I make it 0. Then let it stick to the wall. 0. Okay, this one I make it like 2000. Yeah, after that 2000. Okay, simple as that. Okay, now I'm gonna add another one. Let me check with this. Okay, so we're gonna add the cabinet. We're gonna add the cabinet. Okay, add the cabinet. Simple, you just drag only. Very simple. You click here, basic cabinet. Okay, simple, just drag this one, cabinet. Okay, then you move it first. Make sure you're in the right angle first. Okay, so maybe this one I move it, come out a bit. Yeah, so you see the gap, right? And this one banner I put it 100 so I put 100 here. So stick to the wall. Then you just make it go out. Maybe this one I put like 2800. Okay, 2800 maybe too much. So I make it 2500. Okay, 2500. So the banner up to you, or the wine cabinet up to you, what you want to design. So this one 3000, right? I make it 2900. Okay, so this one I'm gonna move it a bit. Okay, I press Z. Okay, move it a bit. Okay, 2900. Okay, maybe 2008. Change it. 2008. Okay, press Z again. Move it. Okay, so something like the picture. So here also very simple. You just click on it, right click only. Then you can go to this add function part. Select any part you want. So here I divide like 1, 2. Okay, I'll divide 2 banner. Simply just drag one banner only. Drag one banner. Then right click, evenly divide 2. Okay, so it's something like this. something like this already. 2, okay, and this one I put panel, okay. So here I just put panel, click on it, right click, add function part, drag the panel around here, okay, one panel, and drag another panel around here also, another panel, then drag another panel in here also, okay. This one you want to make it even, just right click, evenly number 1, so you will stick to the center, okay. The same method, just right click, evenly number 1, okay. And this one, the wine cabinet, right, this one put wine 1, okay, very simple also, just right click, add function part also. So you may come to here, I think should be some wine cabinet, okay, wine cabinet here, okay. This is the sample lah. Okay, first we just select, we add the banner first, we add one shelf banner, okay, here, just drag only shelf banner around here maybe, then we just add this, okay, just drag this one and point here. Point here already, usually it will automatic adjust lah. And the height, okay, if cannot then just change it the height. So maybe this one, the height I need to extend, maybe I put 500, go up a bit, so 600, go up even more, then say 800, maybe 900, okay, 900 too much, 850. Okay, usually you get to know the size, just click here only. Also usually it will show you the size, okay. So just like that, simple as that. Then you drag the fridge and other in the function part of wine glass, okay. So thanks for watching, bye.